And criteria side of things, what are the criteria?
Yeah, this is the one at the moment. It's just a little bit tricky. I think it's fair to say that for the first time, certainly since I've been doing mortgages, it's quite a fundamental shift as we speak. There's obviously a little bit of uncertainty, again, generally in the economy with regards to how the future is going to pan out. Lenders, typically, they would take into account commissions, bonuses, etc. for employed applicants. At the moment, a lot of lenders have restricted that, and that they're only using basic income, which obviously for certain clients in certain industries can make quite a major impact on the loan amounts that possibly were achievable a few weeks ago compared to what loan amounts are achievable as we sit here today. Again, the case of watch this space, criteria has changed quite a lot over the last couple of weeks. Obviously, lenders need to find their feet a little bit with it as well. They need to be responsible with their lending. So if clients can show that the track record is still there, then, you know, possibly that's going to help. But certainly with regards to annual bonuses and things like that, the fear is that, are these employers going to be able to pay these bonuses in the future years? So it's a little bit tricky as we speak on that one. With regards to self-employed clients, again, similar vein, the last sort of year or 2 years figures do still play quite a relevant part in the whole underwriting process. However, lenders are conscious that what are certain self-employed clients actually earning as we speak at the moment. So typically they're asking to see 3 months business bank statements, and they're obviously underwriting cases in greater detail, really to try and, you know, from a case-by-case basis, establish what is the client actually earning in the real world compared to historically they were comfortable what you'd been earning historically, with a view of obviously business profits continuing. But at the moment, the actual here and now picture is a lot more relevant than possibly it was a few weeks ago from a criteria perspective.
Yeah. So really, I think the message is that clients should speak to someone like yourself as early as possible, and that it may well be that you're not able to give it a definitive now, other than to say, let's keep it under review because the lenders are changing all the time. And that might be best advice for people, is just, look, you might get a better deal if you wait 6 weeks, 8 weeks down the line.
Yeah, it's a funny one because the rates are obviously competitive. The rates are definitely there to be had, and there's some really good deals available, be it over the shorter, longer term. I think you're right. It's just trying to establish, actually, if we can't do something today, that's not to say we won't be able to do it in a few weeks' time. There has been quite a monumental shift with some lenders with regards to how they are assessing business. So how long that's going to last, difficult to tell. But yeah, I think more importantly than ever, it's best to get some independent financial advice. Each case is obviously very, very individual, and needs to be looked at upon its merits.